game show host, and we're here to play Name That Sound. So let us welcome our first contestant. Would you step in, please? Welcome, welcome. I understand you're Mr. Honker from the land of Honk. Yes, and you certainly have a lot of friends out there, don't you? Okay, now, Mr. Honker, do you know how to play our game? Well, let me explain it to you then. You see, we are going to play 3 sounds. That's 3 sounds. And if Mr. Honker can name what makes each of those sounds, you will be very, very happy and proud of yourself, all right? Okay, now, are you ready for your first sound? Okay, now here it is. Listen carefully and see if you can name this sound. All right. Yes, Mr. Honker, do you think you know what makes that sound? Okay, well, what makes that sound? I can't understand him. I can't understand you, Mr. Honker. Oh, dear, well, I guess he just gave up. Yes, that's very sad, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, well, no, what's this?
What are you doing? I was in the middle of a voice lesson.
Oh, I get it. You have brought in a cow. He's brought in a cow, and that's the correct answer. Very good,
television camera. And your guy's smiling.
I am, yes.
This is a television studio. I'm on television.
Well, you are.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing.
Sing,
if you
dance, I can do anything, you know.
No, if you would just,
just
Mr. Honker, if you would just get rid of this cow, please.
Moo.
Yes, Whoa. Careful. Are you all right, cow?
Yes.
Oh, good. Well, now, are you ready for your second sound? Okay, well, listen closely and see if you can name this sound. There it is. Do you know what makes that sound? Okay, well, what makes that sound? I still can't understand him. Yes? Well, you only have a few seconds. Only a few seconds, and what? Oh, I see.
What's going on here?
Yes, you have brought in a horse, and a horse is the correct answer. Very good. A horse is what makes that sound.
I make that sound?
No, forgetful. You're not a horse.
I'm not.
No, I am.
No, yeah, I forgot, you see. I didn't remember.
Okay, very good. If you'll just get these people out of here, we'll continue with the game. All right, now, Mr. Honker, you have gotten 2 right. Let's see if you can name this last sound. Yes? Do you think you know what makes that sound? Well, perhaps in this case you should just write it down. What? Oh, no. I'm afraid he may have the right answer. Yes. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness, he did it. It is a fire engine. That is the correct answer, so you win, Mr. Honker.
Fire engine, I heard. Is there a fire?
Oh, there's no fire in here. If you just step out of the way here.
If I'm not a horse, what am I?
This is Guy Smiley saying that's our show for today. May all your sounds be happy ones. Can we now just get this fire engine out of here? And can someone clear away the livestock?